Hi, Harry. Today we are going to draw the flag of the Czech Republic or the Czechia. So it has a rectangle shape. So I already have drawn the rectangular shades and the shape is here. Now we are going to draw the outlines for the usual shades of the national flag. Okay. On the left side, it has a triangular shape like this, which is divided in the middle. That's why you're putting a red outline here. Okay. Now we are going to fill up the color in the middle. First, we're going to put the blue color on the left side. For our general knowledge, we need to know the flags and the maps and some other stuffs of different countries. Actually, it extends our knowledge. Each country have their own history for the national flags and the selections of colors. They have the nice explanations and so many stories, which is really inspiring. So each national flag has a significant value for the countries. Okay, so the blue one is done. Now we are going to provide the red color. Okay, this is the red color. All right, so putting the red colors here. So you can see that this flag has a combination of three colors, which is white on top right side, red on the bottom right side, and it has a blue triangle, deep blue, dark blue on the left side. Okay, so this is the flag. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. You can also browse through the playlist to select so many categories in different sections. We have lots of drawings out there. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day. This is the flag of Czechia or Czech Republic.